My God, like maybe you're my new favorite. This is giving me some serious big leaf energy. Hey guys, what's up? It's Erin. Well, it's been raining like crazy here in LA, and today it was extremely exciting because Ecuagenera had a pop-up shop, and I went way too crazy on the very hard to find rare plants that were in abundance. Frankly, I overcommitted, and I reminded myself of Megan from Bridesmaids when she got 7 of the dogs. So I got 9 of the plants, and I was really excited and I was in a frenzy. Everyone there was so nice, and I got caught up with all the other obsessed plant people, and I made some big purchases. I'm thrilled, but now I have to make sure everybody stays happy. Some of these are repeats. I've done this before, and some of these are new to me, and I am going to do my best to keep these alive. So let's get into unboxing this seriously insane plant haul. All of your wish list plant in one place now. Okay, let's get in. So this is a celebration. So usually we'd have wine, but today we're gonna have champagne. We're gonna pop the champagne because damn it, I've been wanting some of these for a really long time, and they were all together in one place, like huge, beautiful though. The happiest sound ever. It was raining today. They had sent an announcement on Instagram that this event was going to continue rain or shine. Now, if you've never been to Rainforest Flora, it's a nursery in Torrence. They specialize in air plants, bromeliads, and staghorn ferns. It's this immersive experience. There's a koi pond with turtles in it. You can feed them. It's a vibe. A coworker of mine, shout out to Moneva, told me about it. My mind was blown. Let's start. So cheers. Oh yeah. Okay. We have the queen antherium. I have an anthurium Veitchii, the king, and now the king has found her queen. So it's wrapped in a little bit of moss. It is brooding. So here's what. Let's talk about acclimation for these plants, okay? It's end of February. It's been raining. However, I picked this plant up in Torrence. The plant lives and was grown in Bonsall, California, which is like 2 hours away. The plant was not really going very far in its journey. It was not traveling in a big truck. It was not traveling in an airplane. It did not have a very far journey. So what I'm going to do, and the guy at the nursery said I could either put it in water or I could just put it straight into soil. So that's what I'm going to do. If you live somewhere colder, if it's been a longer journey, if you're unsure about the journey, like why not let it hang out in water, let it acclimate to its surrounding. But I am kind of in the Tyler from Russo Plant Care family, where he actually really pushes the living environment of these anthuriums. These plants are going to be living amongst my other plants, with the key being that they're getting enough light. They're really getting blasted with the grow light nightly, and they're getting fertilized and watered properly. I think if you do those things right, you can actually, there's a little bit of leeway that you can have on the temperature and the humidity. So, I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm going to own it, and I will do an update that I have killed this gorgeous plant. I hope that's not going to happen. The anthurium Veitchii that I got just a few weeks ago is actually doing great. The leaf that it came with, the little baby leaf that looked like a little bird beak, has now unfurled. It's getting really large and it looks really beautiful. So I have faith in Ecuagenera for keeping their plants healthy. The roots have been healthy. I've had nothing but good things to say. So this is cool. Okay, let's open it. These plants are expensive, and the thing is that I justified it by the fact that I was not going to have to pay any shipping. I'll go get my golden shears. It would have been a small fortune to ship this. Another plant person was saying that they truly lose all fiscal responsibility when it comes to plants. I'm the same way. Brought my son with me to help me wrangle all the plants that I had purchased. Like, that was nice. I needed truly an extra pair of hands. But everybody at this nursery was so helpful, and you could just get a good, happy plant vibe. Wow. I mean, have you ever? This queen bee, wow. Okay, so this is the part that always makes me nervous, taking this girl out of her happy home of moss. Here's a question. Could you just like plunk it into your soil mix, like after unwrapping it? Probably not a good idea. The guys who seem to know a thing or two about growing these big and successfully, everyone says, not everyone, some people have said that if you just keep it in moss, you are really asking for it later on as far as for root rot. And I don't want that. To free the roots, the root ball. Right, so now I'm just gonna do a little surgery, try to free it from the root as gently as possible. So antherium roots are delicate. They're not super hardy. Oh, I'm doing a good job here. Oh, I heard a snap. Sorry, somebody's been broken. Okay, I have freed the roots. They look really good. So into the pot we'll go. Okay, so I did it. I put it in soil immediately. Now, what you have to know about any kind of anthurium is that it needs a chunky soil mix. I say it every time. This is my own mixture of cocoa coir, orchid bark, charcoal, worm castings, and perlite. My anthuriums and my monstera seem to be really happy. There she is, the queen, looking good. Will update for sure on this lady. Okay, well that was really exciting. Like almost too much excitement, but it is Saturday night. Next plant number 2, the second most exciting plant, is one I have also been looking for a really long time, and it seemed like never gonna happen, but not today. Today, you're mine. And here he is. Mr. Monstera Esqueleto. I mean, would you look at that? Come on. So good. 3 leaves, 1 newer guy here. Not quite sure. He's not sure what's going on. He's like, whoa. Even though I just came from Bonsall to Torrence, he's a little gel shock. However, I'm excited to put this guy out. Once again, I'm not doing a cabinet. That's great if that's how you like to control the humidity, or if you like to run the AC a lot, or you have the heat on, you really need to keep a handle on your temperature and humidity. But like I said, I really am all about having the plants kind of like as part of my decor. So I need them on shelves and in pots so I can look at them, touch, feel. Good luck to me with this guy because he's rad. My God, like maybe you're my new favorite. Maybe you are my new favorite. Cheers, buddy. Okay, let's push on with our plant haul unboxing. Oh, somebody drank my champagne. Just kidding, it was me. Time to have a little more because time to move on to something really good. This Anthurium Crystallinum. Now, this is giving me some serious big leaf energy. This is exceptional. This is like what was creating a frenzy at Rainforest Flora. This Ecuagenera plant. I mean, like, we see these online when you're able to hold one in your hand and pick it out of a nursery all willy-nilly. Like, this is a special moment, I think. But you know what? The only thing better than this antherium is 2. This one, it's a hybrid, not a hybrid Magnificum. Wow. So, we're gonna repot these girls. These girls are big. They're ready. And like I said before, not a long journey for these. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know. Down you go. So last for part 1 of our anthurium and one monstera, our anthurium plant haul for today is our friend, the Anthurium Veitchii. Now, when I ordered online from Ecuagenera, the plant I got was beautiful. It's got, let's see, I can see it now. Actually, I'm gonna get it for you. Hang on. So this was the one I got from Ecuagenera. They bought it in like a little decorative pot. But here he is. And this was the new guy. This was that little one that I looked like a little tiny rolled up Birdbeak, and he looks really good and really healthy, and he's really grown. I've just been watering a little bit more than once a week maybe, and I've been fertilizing once a week to every other week, but I'm happy with this. So we're gonna do the same for this guy who's bigger. So this one had like 3.5 leaves when it came, but this guy, like, what a monster. Okay, let's undo him. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. More big leaf energy. This looks really healthy. Don't screw it up, Aaron. That's the goal. But this is really good. Like I said, I feel confident because the other one is looking good. So same business. I'm going to be blasting it with the grow light about 8 hours a day. It is the Russo Plant Care grow light. I am using their Aroid fertilizer on it, so once a week to once every other week. And since I know everybody's soil mixture is different or substrate is different, I really couldn't tell you like how often to water it, because if your soil holds more moisture, you're obviously going to water it less. So I mean, if you have this plant, this is not your first plant, so you probably know this. We'll pot this guy up. This is really exceptional. I can't even hold the queen. She's already over there in her new home. But this is the end of part 1. So I'll do an update and then I'll be back with part 2, the unboxing of the second part of this 9 plant haul. Totally necessary. Every single one of them. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And cheers. Sending you the biggest big leaf energy.